Hey guys, this is the help screen and this is how to fix Paramount Plus app not working. So this is an Android and Apple device tutorial, so just follow along. So guys, I'm gonna give you three solutions. So first one is to make sure you have the latest version of the app. So go to your Google Play Store and then from here, just search for Paramount Plus. And then from here guys, just tap on the app. And then after that, when the application have an update, you should be able to update it over here. And guys, if this doesn't work, all you have to do is go to the second solution, which is go to the settings. And then on the settings, just go to the apps. And then guys, on the apps, just search for Paramount. And once you have find it, tap on it. And then from here, tap on the storage. And then after that, guys, just clear the cache and also clear data and tap on OK. And then from there, you should be able to have a working Paramount Plus application. And guys, if that doesn't work, let's go to the third solution, which is reinstalling the app. So first, uninstall the application on your device. And then once it is done uninstalling, you can just go back to the Google Play Store. And then from here, guys, just install the application again. And then from there, you should have a working Paramount Plus application and you will be able to fix the problem. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe and thanks for watching.